is it? It's a velociraptor.
For this project, we were tasked with creating Foley sound for a scene in Jurassic Park. Foley sound is the art of creating sound effects you hear in movies and TV shows by using everyday objects. In this scene, Raptors are searching the kitchen for two children who are trying to stay safe. Some of the sounds we need to replace included dinosaur steps, the pots and pans falling, utensils clanking, and people crawling around on the floor. To make those sounds, we use gritty leaves, pots, and large kitchen utensils. As well as oversized clothing. The project was very detail-driven and fun, seeing how everyone came together to participate.